So what are the differences between the technology of the past and that of today?
There have been improving so much in technology. For example, in the past, we only use phones on keypads, while today we use touch screen phones, and even more improving, we can fold the touch screen phone now. So that's the most significant uh, improvement in technology. But there are also lots of improvements, such as the development in the technology system where um, we can use wireless Wi-Fi, whereas in the past we can only use there isn't
Could
even
only
like
use.
we
Mm,
could only use
mm.
internet in the internet cafe or something like that. But nowadays we can use
Now
our
your
own
answer is
Wi-Fi.
longer than 30 to 40 seconds.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
and be aware of that. The question is not only about phone or okay, I mean phone or the Wi-Fi or internet. Of course, we must mention internet, the internet, but it is
oh,
not just about that because this is the technology, not about, communication technology. So you need to cover all the points. Like for example, we can talk about speed, connectivity, like everything is automated, right? Like human labors
oh,
are not 100% needed because almost everything is automated. Okay, everything is accessible right at our fingertips. Okay, so do not focus on just communication technology. You need to talk about this and that. The question is general, asking about the differences between technology of the past and that of today concerning general things. So don't focus on only one thing. Okay. And then you can talk about in this day and age, nowadays, today. Okay. And in those days, back in the day, we used to, okay. You can compare and contrast by the use of those phrases to show off your vocabulary level for the lexical resource. Okay.
oh.
Now let's move on to part two. Listen to the question carefully. How has modern technology changed the way people work or study in your country?
Um, so nowadays, people mostly use laptops, for example, to write assignments for the students. But for the people, when reporting things, they mostly use Excel files rather than writing it down on a paper.
Mhm. Okay. And how about work? You mentioned most of the time you mentioned the assignments and things, so it focuses on study only. Don't you think so? The question is asking about two things, work or study.
work အတွက်ကကြတော့
Mm,
ဒီခုနပြောရပါလေအဲအလုပ်ရဲ့
mm.
paper တွေကို
Oh,
အလုပ်
yeah,
တွေကို
work
paper ပေါ်
paper.
မှာချရေးတာထက်အဲ့
Oh,
လို
okay.
ဟုတ် Word file ကနေပြီးတော့ transfer လုပ်တာမျိုးတွေ
Yeah,
ပြော
yeah, yeah. Yeah, we can also use it for work.
ဟု
Okay.
တ်
Mm, well, fine. So for me, well, the question is about work and study. Okay, so it has completely transformed our daily routines. Um, when it comes to work, remote work is also available nowadays, allowing people to collaborate from anywhere, instead of going to the office. And if we look on the side of the studies, people around the world can join online classes in Zoom platforms or other digital tools have become the norm of our everyday lives, everyday situations. Okay? So number
ဟုတ်
three. Yeah, you mentioned about that word. Fine. Sorry, I messed up. So do you think people rely too much on technology these days? Why or why not?
In my opinion, yes, because I think it's mainly because of the improvements in the technology. So, for example, we don't need to we can work at home while why not work at home but going to the office because you can save more time by working at home, and it can also be advantage for the environment because when you go to work, you have to commute by car or by bus. So I think people relying too much on technology. No, ที่ตะมีมาต่อ disadvantages and advantages ไปยาวต่อ
Yeah, they are talking about why or why not, right? Okay, so you
Oh,
need to give the reasons. Yes, we rely on technology because it can enhance our productivity, right? And
oh,
we can save our time and energy because we can finish everything uh, within a second by the use of the technology. Okay, so yes, that's a reason we absolutely rely too much on technology. Like we are so accustomed to instant convenience. Okay, so you should say yes or no with a reason. That's it. Be aware of that. Otherwise, uh, there are four criteria: fluency and coherence, and also, so your fluency is good, but your answer need to be coherent to the question. Okay.
oh.
So another one. What kinds of technology are most popular among young people compared to older generations?
I think it's mostly laptops or phone because compared to the older people, the younger generation could use more technological things. Um, they they become more dependent on um using phones and laptops because it is more convenient than um doing everything on a traditional way. You can finish you can get your jobs done faster. So I think these are the most popular technology among the young people.
You need to compare the technology for young people and older generations. You cannot focus only on one particular type of generation. For example, for young people, like smartphones, social media applications are popular. On the flip side, older generations prefer practical devices like laptops or smart TVs for news, something like that. You need to compare both generations use technology. Look at the question again. What kinds of technology are most popular among young people compared to old generations? So it means old people or older generations also use technology. But what type of technology are most popular? Okay. So
Oh.
all generations use technology. You need to mention that point. Okay?
ဟုတ်အဲ့လိုမျိုးဆိုတမီးမသိရကြလို့ဟိုဘယ်လို technology ကိုပြောရမလဲဆိုတာကိုတေချာမသိဘူးဖြစ်နေတယ်
အဲ့ဒါကိုပဲဖမ်းတာပေါ့older
ဟုတ်အဲ့
people က
လိုမျိုးဆိုရင်
traditional way နဲ့သုံးတယ်ဆိုတဲ့ဟာကိုမထည့်ရင်ပိုကောင်းတာပေါ့ traditional way နဲ့သုံးတာမဟုတ် older people ကလည်းပဲ technology ကိုသုံးတယ်သဘောပေါက်လားမိကွန်းဟုတ်လားဒါပေမဲ့ older people နဲ့ရှင်ရင်ဘယ်လိုဟာတွေက younger people မှာပိုပြီး popular ဖြစ်လဲ technology ပဲအဲ့တော့ older generations က traditional way ကိုသုံးတယ်ဆိုတဲ့ဟာကိုထည့်မပြောနဲ့ဟုတ်တယ်ဟုတ်တယ်မလားအိမ်မှာပဲကြည့်လေသမီးဘာလုပ်လဲထားပါတော့သမီး smartphone သုံးတယ်ဟလာဟို daily tracking ရှိမယ်ခြေလမ်းဘယ်လောက်လှမ်းလဲ calorie ဘယ်လောက်စားလဲတွေသမီးစိတ်ဝင်စားနေတာဖြစ်ကောင်းဖြစ်မှာပေါ့သဘောကဆိုလိုတာဟုတ်တယ်ဟုတ်ဒါမှမဟုတ် smartphone နဲ့သမီးဖုန်းစီပါတွေညာတွေနဲ့ချိန်ထားမယ် computer နဲ့ချိန်ထားမယ် timetable တွေဒီကကြည့်မယ်ဒါသမီးစိတ်ဝင်စားတာနေမှာပေါ့ maybe ဟုတ်တယ်မလား social media apps တွေရှိမယ် online shopping တွေရှိမယ်ဟုတ်တယ်မလားဒါပေမဲ့အိမ်ကအဖိုးအဖွားကအဲ့လောက်ကြီးအထိဒီ social media apps တွေသုံးမဲ့အစားသူတို့သိတာသူတို့ laptop သုံးမယ်ဒါလည်း technology အောက်ထဲဝင်သွားတယ်ဟုတ်လားအိမ်မှာ smart
ဟု
TV တက်ထားတယ်ဟုတ်လား Netflix တွေကြည့်မယ်ဒါမျိုးကိုသွားမှာပေါ့အဲ့တော့ technology ကိုသုံးတော့သုံးနေတယ်သို့တော့ generation နှစ်ခုကြားမှာဘယ် technology က younger people အတွက် popular ဖြစ်တယ်ဒီ question ကိုပဲပြောင်းပြီးတော့ older people အတွက်ပဲ technology က popular ဖြစ်လဲဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုလုပ်မလဲဟုတ်တယ်ဟုတ်အဲ့ technology ပါနေရမယ် generation နှစ်ခုစလုံးက technology ကိုသုံးနေတယ်အဲ့မှာမှလူကြီးတွေကြားမှာဆိုရင်ဘယ်ဟာကြီးပန်းစားလဲလူငယ်တွေကြားမှာဘယ်ဟာကြီးပန်းစားလဲဒါပဲကွာပါ
ဟုတ်
ဟုတ်ပါလားအဲ့တော့နှစ်ဖက်စလုံးက technology သုံးတယ် older generation က traditional way ကိုသွားတာကိုထည့်ပြောစရာမလိုဘူး technology သုံးတယ်ဘယ် technology မတူညီသော technology တွေကိုသုံးကြတာသဘောပေါက်လား
ဟုတ်ဟုတ်
okay So, in your opinion, should schools spend more money on technology or on teachers? Why? Đi
I
qua
believe.
những cái writing mà bà biết à? Yes.
Uh-huh. I believe it is more convenient to use on teachers than on technologies because children learn from their adult people. So if the teacher can guide them to the right way, I think it will be more convenient for them, rather than spending money on technology, which they can also spend which they can also buy themselves at their home. So I by te
At home,
so
not at their home, only at home.
at home.
Mm.
So I think it will be more convenient for the teach to spend more money on the teachers.
Mm. Okay. So if you ask me, it has to be a balance, but I gravitate towards teachers because I'm a teacher. I'm kidding. Because you can have the most advanced gadgets in the classroom or even at home, right? If they are affordable or if their parents are rich enough. But without skillful educators to guide students, that technology is like useless, or maybe they use it in the wrong way. They can be on the wrong track, right? So
Well,
skillful educators, I mean teachers, are more important than technology. So we should allocate more budget on teachers. Okay?